Very low float SYTA stock is on the move in this regular session of today, the 22nd of May 2024, up roughly 60%. Getting some resistance from its 10 period moving average on this 1 minute chart. We have seen it pull towards the lower channel or the lower line of its price channel, and you've seen it rebound to where it's holding up right now, and or if not getting resistance, or maybe trying to getting a support from its 10 period moving average. And we're not exactly sure if it's, before now it was acting as a primary supply line, ensuring that the stock decayed slightly. But this has just been in the last couple of minutes, not a very long time to complete indicate that is what the trend is right now. So it's showing some weakness, but if we have to go to trading view, we can see what's going on as well. It's trying to retest the low of $3.7. Next support is 3.58, and all the way down to $2.9. But there are other upper projections. We have 3.85. We have 4.01. We have 4.1. 4.14. We have 4.28. There's also 4.47. There is also 4.71. Okay, yeah. There are indications that in the very short term, the stock is from its auto regression. That's a prediction of its temporary moving average. It's projected that it should rebound towards $4.6, but there's no guarantee that will be the case. It's if anything now has blown through the support of 3.7. Next target is likely to be 3.59. Let's return to think and swim. We haven't seen that print out. We want to see it approach this lower line of its price channel. That will to some extent maybe guarantee a sort of rebound, but in any case it doesn't have to get there to rebound or anything like that. So they lost the gain of the sessions now roughly 7%. Let's see. Indeed, there's some news. There's the news behind this rally, but it came out yesterday, the 21st. The news is the company has introduced first of its kind AI deep learning PTT device. Yeah, that's the news behind this rally over 18 hours ago. So it has pivoted now, maybe trying to challenge this resistance at $3.84. On its daily chart, the stock hasn't seen any cash flow. Hasn't really seen any significant cash flow. I think maybe let's say anything that's quite significant all the way back to somewhere in early March of last year. So the stock has continued to decay. You can see prices as high as 1,016. Maybe all of these are just as a result of reverse splits. As a matter of fact, maybe the reason why it has this tiny float of 0.61 million shares is because maybe there were a couple of reverse splits that have occurred in the past, but there isn't any cash flow into this. Into the stock. Nothing at all. And I think it's definitely, well, maybe they're buying this news. But okay, we have seen strength return. The gain is now 60%, but it was short-lived. So we'll also see. We'll see. I think we're looking at it now. It has now. It is almost right at the upper line of this price channel. So we should expect it to rebound as well. We should expect it to rebound, but that's usually the case. When it gets to its lower line, we expect an upward rebound, and the reverse is also the case with the upper price channel, the upper line of its price channel. We expect it to rebound and reverse some of those gains as run up. So the gain is now Okay, it's blown through that line. There's a good chance it will. Yeah, we're seeing some reversal, slight amount of reversal, but it just gives you an opportunity of scalping opportunities. In any case, scalping opportunities. Yeah. So the stock definitely highly volatile, really seriously highly volatile. Let's see what the short interest is. Short interest of float is around 10.71%. Yeah. Currently trading outside its market, so outside its price channel as things stand right now. The gain is now 68.67%. Let's quickly have a look at its 1 minute chart. It will give us an idea of what the projections are, where it's heading to now. Yeah, I think it blew through an upper projection there. I think, yeah, blew through projection of $4 now, reversing it. So the stock is quite volatile, quite volatile. So it's now trying to return back into the price channel, and the price channel is contracting upwards. You can see this bubble here, this bubble that occurred. It ensured that the stock has now pulled back, so a new trend is forming, pulled back and consolidated. So whenever this happens, there's a good chance that for another trend to occur, there will be a consolidation, because there will be a consolidation, a contraction of that of this bubble, and we've seen that now. Maybe another upward blast might occur. Who knows? So it's trying to retest $4, I think. It has done that, blown through, blown past $4. The next target, if it can, is 4.14, but has been rejected again, pulling back. Next target will be down to 3.84. Yeah, we can see the same here as well, pulling back, approaching the upper line of its price channel. Yeah, highly volatile SYTA stock, very low float. Projections are indicating that it has a potential to get to 4.15. It has actually done that. It did that, reached the highs of around 4.67, but never got to its most upper projection of $4.7. So it's rebounding again now, blown through 4.14 and rejected. Let's see now. Next target after 4.1 is 4.14 is 4.27. Fascinating stuff here. Yeah, really fascinating. Let's keep watching. I don't even know where it is. More fascinating to watch here on the trading view with the lines against the bars here on think and swim. Yeah, but in any case, this bubble has come to an end. So this bubble has been contracted, has been contracted. Now it seems we are looking at a new trend that is trying to arise. Yeah. So indeed, projections go all the way towards 4.71. What are the odds that it can get there? What are the odds? Yes, it's pretty much possible. I know this is quite possible. 4.27. What am I talking about? This is pretty much possible. It has reached the highs of around 4.68. So 4.7 is something that can happen. But in any case, it's been rejected again, and I think it might present a buying opportunity. Yeah, I can see that this is this huge red bar, bringing it quite close to its the lower line of its price channel. Yeah, gain is now 54.1. Yeah, it's losing some value. So, but if it gets all the way down here, then it will convince a lot of market participants to get in. And we've seen that its price channel here, the lower line, is tried to expand a bit. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, so next support is around $3.58. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of SYTA stock, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.